My video will help you to remove the adware called GenerationKey. This GenerationKey is actually a new adware that is from the adload family of adware type infections. GenerationKey adware, once installed, may periodically display its really intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. This adware may also periodically cause unwanted pop-ups, banners, deals, coupons to appear randomly on your screen. Obviously, this is something really annoying. So if you have found its presence on your computer, right-click on this adware and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install the software, and then start thoroughly researching your system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other infections which could still possibly remain on your device. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.